guys, it's Shannon. So I'm doing something very different here, but I'm giving you an idea in addition to it. So as you know, my channel is very much farmhouse style, which is the current trend. However, my daughter is very much a glam, teeny bopper kind of style. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a farmhouse style refurbished stool and I'm gonna make it over in her style. But I'm actually gonna give you two ideas in one in this video. So before I actually update this stool, this got an update about 2 years ago. These are old stools from Walmart, and they were all the same color. They were all like solid pine. And I went back and I chalk painted the legs. I sanded the top down and stained it this dark jacobine, which you guys know is my favorite wood stain. So I stained the tops, and then I added this burlap, or this jute. It's very thick. I want to say it's like 6-ply, and may even be thicker than that. And I just wrapped it around the bottom 2 rungs of the stool, and I gave it a farmhouse look. So we actually don't need these anymore. They've been sitting in the basement. She needs a stool for her desk, so I am going to take this and update it again into more of a glam style. So let's get started. So the average chair height is actually 18 inches tall, which is what I need to fit underneath her desk. So I'm gonna cut this down so it's only 18 inches tall. Cut off. Of course, it's not going to sit quite perfectly, so I'm just going to take my orbital sander, do some sanding to even out all of the feet. So now I'm just gonna glam it up with some metallic gold spray paint, and I'm just gonna do the feet, and then I have something else planned for the top. adding some fuzzy fur to the top, and I am all about using with whatever you have around the house. Of course, you could go out and buy some furry fabric or like one of those furry rugs from IKEA, but I already have this pillow. It's a Target dollar spot find, and I'm not using it right now, and I think it'll be perfect to put on the top of this. So I'm gonna cut a hole in the back, and then I'm just gonna put it over the top of this stool and use my staple gun to staple it on. This video inspired you. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Leave me a comment below. What would you do to update a stool? Would you glam it out like this one? Would you give it a farmhouse look? Would you make it dark? Would you make it light? Let me know in the comments below. If you had an old stool, what would you do with it? Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.